Hi, I'm Dennis Rule, a filmmaker, a nature enthusiast, and an avid paddler. Join me on my continuing journey in search of interesting places to explore. Well, we're exploring a little bay here on Centennial Lake. This is part 2 of the Centennial Lake tour. This is a pretty big lake. It's over 50 kilometers long, navigable. It's part of the Madawaska Rivershed. And there's tons of little bays to explore, and that's what we're doing today. Actually, this one leads to a little inlet. It's nice and sheltered. It's actually kind of windy on the main lake today. So I hope you enjoyed a little tour, and we'll talk again in a little bit. We've got a tree down. Oh well, we'll get as close as we can. So many trees down the lake. This area was a pretty hard hit by the torrential back in May, and thousands and thousands of trees were lost in this area. But, slowly, they're getting things opened. But, this one's probably going to be a while before someone takes this down. Anyway, yeah, good flow here today. Well, the clouds are breaking up. Looks like the sun is trying to show itself. It's not overly cold today. I'd say somewhere around 13 or 14 degrees. As we continue our way here down Centennial Lake, and we'll see what's around the next bend. All right, check this out. The torrential had such powerful winds that it just peeled the trees right up off the shoreline rocks. And yeah, it's pretty crazy, the power of the wind. But this is it's just one example all over the lake here where trees were just peeled off. Now, not much of a root system on a rock, but anyway, didn't stand up to the winds. This one here is just about off. It's all lifted up here, and the erosion underneath from the waves. This is a bit of a windy spot here, and so won't be long. That tree will be over as well. A little diving platform here sticking out from the side of the hill. That would be a lot of fun. Kind of an ingenious little lift. It's getting close to the end of the season, and everybody's starting to pull their docks out and get their cottages ready for colder weather. Oh, the trees are just starting to turn. First day of fall today. So won't be much longer now, and we'll have some amazing colors along the river shore. Well, the wind's really picked up. They're forecasting a storm around 1 o'clock. So it's time to head back. Well, we're back at the dock. Time for some lunch. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. We have some more kayak videos coming up.